Hello class, today I'm going to be walking you through submitting a document online on Canvas for an assignment. I will also be going through several things you will need to be aware of during the submission. The first thing I'm going to do is go to the assignment page, which can always be accessed by going to Assignments. Now you'll notice on the top right of the assignment page a button that says Submit Assignment. You'll want to click that. This is where you will be asked to upload a file. Note that all document submissions are to be in PDF, Doc, or DocX only. Furthermore, you are to upload only one file, meaning if you have multiple pages, then they should all be included in a single file. So I'm going to choose a file to upload. Once you've uploaded the required file, hit Submit to submit the assignment. You will then be taken back to the assignment page. Now, you will want to make sure that the document has been successfully uploaded, because in the past, there have been submissions that turned out to be blank on the instructor's end. Therefore, I would highly encourage you to double check to make sure that this isn't the case by going to Submission Details and then clicking on View Feedback. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And it looks like everything's here. So that means we are good to go from here. Should you submit a document and it ends up to be a blank document, then simply click on Resubmit Assignment on the top right of the page. And then just follow the same steps that I went through earlier. I would also highly encourage you to write in the comments section that you're resubmitting it because it turned out to be a blank document. If resubmissions aren't allowed for your course, then please contact your instructor by sending them a message on Canvas or in the way they would like for you to contact them. That being said, this concludes this video on how to submit a document online on Canvas. Thanks for watching.